Australian dollar against US dollar has stopped right here at this demand zone 0.65. We can see that the price the whole week could not make breakout to the downside below this area, but the price was making the strong wicks on the upper side, trying to reach higher price level around 0.66. But the price, when it reached the start of this supply zone, the price bounced back down, which means the sellers that are here are not allowing the price to reach higher price level, but also the bulls who are here, which is the start of this demand zone, is showing their strength, not allowing the price to reach higher price level. On the weekly time frame, we can see that this week has closed as a bearish one compared to the previous 3 weeks, which are also a bearish one, but the price started to stop just right here, did not close below this very critical level on the weekly time frame, which is 0.656. Now if we go to the monthly time frame, we can see that after the price has made a breakout to the bullish side in the previous month, trying to go outside of this downtrend channel and also this confluence of resistance, the price did not validate this bullish breakout as a valid one, but it has returned back down. When that happens, when the bullish breakout did not validate it and the price returns back down, this is almost always suggesting that the price will try to reach the next support level in this case, which means I'm expecting that the price will fall down in value. Each time when the price has reached this area, here we can see that the price always has bounced back down. So this has happened also in this case. When the price closes like this one here, when the price closes below this one price level, we can see that the price has reached this area here. So everything is pointing on the monthly time frame that the price could reach lower side, but this is only valid if the price closes where it is currently. We have 3 more days next week to close this month, so we need to see what happens in those 3 days. If the price closes here, I am expecting that the price will continue and fall to 0.64. If the price goes up and closes above 0.66, then I'm expecting there is a possibility that the price will retrace all the way here, 0.665 and also 0.67. This is much more visible on the daily time frame. I will explain that, but this is the scenario as it looks right now. For now, as it looks, I'm not expecting that the price will, in those 3 days, return all the way back up, closing above 0.67, just to validate the previous month a bullish breakout. So this is not the scenario that I'm expecting to see. On the weekly time frame, we can see there is no possibility, at least as it looks right now on the market, that the price could make a return all the way above 0.67, because we have 3 weeks that has been bearish one, where the price would need to make a breakout first here, 0.67, 0.667, and then above to reach this supply zone, which will be also a confluence of resistance of this downtrend channel and also this horizontal resistance level, which is less likely to happen, at least what I can see on the market. For now, I need to see that on the weekly time frame, which will be much more visible on the daily, that the price needs to make a breakout to the downside, which means to break below this one, 0.65, and then below 0.651. These are very important levels for the price. Now, if we go to the daily, we will see much more clearly. We can see that this is the area, 0.654 is a very important level for the price, and this is the demand zone. The price needs to break below 0.65, close on the daily time frame below this one in order to fall down even more. And what is the target after the price makes a breakout to the downside? First one is this one here, 0.65. Let's round this one around number, because we can see when the price falls down, the price reaches this area here and also this one area here. So I'm expecting the same scenario and then I'm expecting the price will retrace back up, confirming this previous support now, then will act as a resistance and then fall even more down around 0.64, which is also a target on the monthly time frame, which I'm expecting, and also on the weekly time frame. But if something happens and the market turns around, the first level 0.663 needs to be broken in order for the price to continue to rise and reach 0.67. So we have 3 more days until this month ends. So this is a very important level and a very critical level for the price. I'm not expecting that the price will reach in 3 days this area, because there is only one candle on the market. This one is here in 1 day that the price has made, and it has reached 133 pips, which is less likely. We can see that most of the time the range for the price is around 50 pips on the Australian dollar against the US dollar. So everything's pointing for me on the lower side that the price will fall in value, but until that happens, until the price makes a breakout, I'm still waiting because of this range area that the price has formed this week. If the breakout happens and if there is any significant moves, where is the potential target, I will share that daily inside the trading community. So if you would like to check that trading community, you can check the link below in the description. So feel free to check it, and that's all for today. See you next time, and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.